How to back up a Discord server. Ever worried about losing your server setup, roles, or channels? Today I will show you how to back up your Discord server quickly and safely. Let's jump in. Discord doesn't have a built-in backup feature. As of now, Discord doesn't let you back up servers natively. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. We are going to use a free bot called Xenon that makes backups super easy. Go to your browser and visit xenon.bot. Click Invite. Select your server. You need admin access. Authorize the bot and complete the CAPTCHA. Boom! Xenon is now in your server. In any text channel, type /backup create. Xenon will save your current server layout, including channels, categories, roles, permissions, etc. Note: it doesn't back up messages or files, only structure. Restore from backup when needed. Let's say something breaks or you want to rebuild. Just type /backup load and ID. Replace ID with the backup code Xenon gave you earlier. And just like that, your server is restored. And that's how you back up your Discord server. Easy, fast, and super handy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.